I really think there's a double standard going on, and it's not fair.
Dwayne Belcourt is not only mourning the death of his husband, but is questioning why his partner of over 2 decades wasn't able to help others through organ donation. On August 30th, Merle Donkin died from stage 4 liver cancer. Belcourt received a call from the Saskatchewan Health Authority regarding organ and tissue donations and was first told Donkin was a great candidate to be a tissue donor. An hour later, SHA called again to clarify Donkin's relationship with Belcourt.
After she confirmed that he had sexual relations with a man before 5 years, that disqualified him. All his tissues was disqualified.
Belcourt says the policy is discriminatory because they confirmed Donkin was a viable donor prior to their knowledge on his relationship.
You're throwing away good, viable tissue, or whatever you want to take from him, because he's a gay man and had sex with a man. And I asked him, did you ask that question of heterosexuals? And the answer was no.
Health Canada lists reasons that may be used to determine a deceased donor's risk of having a transmissible disease, including men who have sex with men, saying in a statement to Global News that it isn't law and allow for flexibility in approach, adding that during the examination process should include items that would determine whether there is evidence of high-risk behavior. The SHA tells Global News the Saskatchewan Organ Donation Program is following federal guidelines. Through a statement, the medical director of the Organ Donation Program says the intent is not to discriminate, explaining that the ability to test donor tissues quickly before a transplant is limited. The current guidelines are in place based on research and clinical evidence. The SODP practices will evolve when national standards evolve. Belcourt says the guidelines are outdated, especially given the recent changes made to blood donation bans for gay men, and he is looking for answers.
They're advertising that we can give our blood, but they won't take anything else.
Belcourt says an equitable approach to the screening process is needed. He says he may consider taking legal action after consulting with a lawyer. Kabi Moulitharan, Global News.